In this video, we're going to show you how to install our 40-foot round pen.
Okay, so step one, the first thing you want to do is find a spot where you want your round pen. So I think we're going to set ours up right here. We did a measurement, so it should fit just fine. So the next thing you want to do is find the center of where you want your round pen. Some things that will help you is at least 100-foot tape, some string line, and 2 types of stakes. Okay, so just to recap, we got the center of the round pen mark. We went out half the diameter from that center point of the round pen, which was 20 feet in this case, and then we traced the outline of where we want the round pen. That way we can lay the panels where the trace mark is. That way you get more of a circle, and you're not just guessing. So now that we have all the panels laid out here on the ground, we're gonna go ahead and start clamping them together. So when you guys are using the panel clamps, make sure the nut part is on the outside of the round pen, or if you're setting up a stall, make sure it's on the outside. The smooth part needs to be on the inside.
Before you fully tighten down the panel clamps, leave them hand tight so you can use them adjusting like this.
Yeah, so for the panel clamps, I definitely recommend using an impact drill. So I have a 9/16 socket here, but this is what makes the night and day difference.
After you're happy with the shape and look of your round pen, go ahead and tighten down the panel clamps, and you'll have something that looks like this. Oh yeah, and real quick, I'm just gonna let my brother tell you a little bit more information about our panels. David, take it away.
Okay, so our panels easily clamp together with the provided panel clamps. This creates a solid connection with no wiggling, so a horse couldn't get his leg caught in there and injure himself. So as you can see, our panels come with welded end caps, unlike others that have a plastic top that can rot out from the sun and start filling up with water. You're not gonna have that issue with our panels. So all of our round pens do come with gates. This is a 4.5-foot wide bow gate, 8 feet tall, and it does come with the chain and chain keeper. So this is all made with heavy duty steel that's 14 gauge, so it's nice and thick, heavy duty. All right, so that's it for today's video. If you guys got any questions, head over to our website, SoCalFenceandBarn.com.